In today's video, we will have an aerial look at Main Beach again. This time we will have a look from the north of Main Beach facing south, including parts of SeaWorld. This is part 2 of 2 videos from Main Beach. Nestled between the sparkling blue waters of the Southport Broadwater and the magnificent Pacific Ocean, Main Beach is only minutes north of the heart of surfers' paradise. The suburb was named so as it was the town's main surf beach, with visitors using the ferry to access it. The area truly became a holiday destination after the Jubilee Bridge, now called the Sundale Bridge, was built in 1926, leading to holiday houses springing up and an influx of beachgoers. The water is this destination's best asset, with the white sandy beaches of Main Beach to the east and the calm waters of the Broadwater to the west. This tiny pocket of land can see you surfing 1 minute and launching a yacht the next. Main Beach is a family-friendly beach which is patrolled all year round by lifeguards. If you ever tire of these beautiful waters, Hollindale Park is set back from the beach and has a great playground, picnic area and masses of grass, making it perfect for a game of touch footy. Ever wanted to take to the skies like a bird or a superhero? Hire a water jetpack and do just that as you hover over the Broadwater. In Main Beach you'll find the Gold Coast's only jetpack experience, which has had customers as young as 7 and as old as 83 enjoying this totally cool contraption. Join a whale watching tour leaving from SeaWorld or Marina Mirage and travel 20 minutes out to the Humpback Highway. View these majestic animals and look carefully, as you might just get lucky enough to catch a glimpse of Migaloo, the rare white whale who passes by the Gold Coast on his annual migration. Many cruises and water activity operators, like jet skis, jet boating, fishing and sailing, also depart from the marina, taking you through the Gold Coast canals and seaways.